Now, Storm Tracker 12 weather with meteorologist Sarah Kress.
And here's a look at what we can expect for our Friday. Even warmer than the past couple of days. And we'll see those temperatures even into the 80s in some areas over east side, like Klamath Falls, your high of 81, Lakeview 79, Medford and Grants Pass 86 for your highs, into the 80s into Northern California. And along the coast, a couple of degrees cooler as we're over to Brookings. Now, Friday is here and the weekend is on everybody's mind. So if you're heading out to the Art in the Bloom in Lithia Commons in Medford, it is going to be rather nice as we're starting off our weekend into Saturdays. Temperatures will still be a little bit warm, maybe a few degrees cooler. As we're working our way into Sunday, it'll be noticeably cooler. And then we head later into the day, we will be tracking out showers and it'll be pretty gusty into the afternoon. But looking at Stormcast as we're working our way through our Friday and into our Saturday, lots of high level clouds will be moving through for us today, but some of them will be on the thinner side, so lots of sunlight will still be making its way through. Still going to be pretty warm for us on our Friday. Same deal into our Saturday with those high level clouds. We'll see a bit more cloud coverage areas towards the coast later into the day as well. And then as we work into our Sunday, that's when we're tracking that next system to really work its way in, and then we'll start to see the chances for showers. They start into the afternoon along the coast and a bit later in today areas inland and possibly even in isolated storm areas over east side for your Sunday. But checking out the next 3 days, as you can see, those temperatures drop off quite a bit for our Sunday. Much cooler into the Rogue Valley, into the Klamath Basin. We'll be back down into the 60s with a possible shower late into the day on our Sunday. Maybe an isolated thunderstorm develops as well. Working with a little bit of instability, but into Saturday you will notice it'll be a bit gustier into the afternoon, but it'll pick up even more so into our Sunday. It's going to be pretty windy for us, especially areas over east side into Northern California and along the Cascades. But that next system working down is bringing in a lot of cool air with it. So temperatures will drop off as we're into the work week as well, well below average for this time of year across areas in the whole region. We will see them climb back up as we're working into next week. We'll begin to dry out as we're working into our Tuesday, but with that we could see those snow levels drop as we're heading into our Monday and see some snow into those higher pass levels. But because it's been so warm over the past couple of days, we're not expecting huge winter impacts with this system. But let's take a look at your next 7 days, starting with the coast. It's going to be breezy as we're working into our Sunday and into next week. Rain will continue on your Monday over into Northern California. It'll be pretty windy for us on our Mother's Day with a slight chance for showers later into the day. Over into the Klamath Basin, same deal, maybe an isolated thunderstorm develops into your Sunday and into your Monday. That is a smaller chance, but as we're over into the mountains, same deal. We'll be tracking that higher elevation snow into your Monday, and finally back over into the Rogue Valley. Today is going to be the warmest day of the week, but we slowly see things decline into your Saturday and much cooler as we're working into next week.